Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about board control for Hoshizaki part #2A1410-02. The board control for Hoshizaki part #2A1410-02 is a replacement part for Hoshizaki ice machines. It is a circuit board that controls the operation of the machine, including its temperature, defrost cycle, and other functions. The board contains several components such as relays, switches, and transistors that are used to control the various functions of the machine. The board also contains a microprocessor that is programmed to monitor and control the operation of the machine. The board is designed to be easy to install and replace when necessary. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a control board for a Hoshizaki ice machine. It is used to control the operation of the machine, including turning it on and off, controlling the temperature, and monitoring the performance of the machine. If this part is malfunctioning, it can cause a variety of symptoms, such as the machine not turning on, not producing enough ice, or producing too much ice. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the board. Control for Hoshizaki part #2A1410-02. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. 3. Turn off power to the unit before beginning installation. 4. Remove any existing components from the unit and disconnect any wiring associated with them. 5. Install the board control for Hoshizaki part #2A1410-02 in accordance with the instructions provided with it. 6. Connect all wiring to the board as instructed in the manual and make sure all connections are S. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.